Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today, we'll be solving this question, which states that calculate the output voltages V2, V3 and V4 in the circuit below. So here is the circuit. So you can see there's a combination of operational amplifiers. This operational amplifier is a voltage follower. This one is an inverting amplifier, and this one is a non-inverting amplifier. So each of these has its own formula of solving it, for finding the output. Now for a voltage follower, V1 is equal to V2. So here automatically we can see that is equals to, and V1 is 0.2 volts. So here is 0.2 volt, because we can write, solution. So V1 is equals to V2, which is equals to 0.2 volt. This is for a what? A voltage follower. This is a voltage follower amplifier. So this is a voltage follower amplifier. The input here is equal to the output. The input here is equal to the output in a voltage follower amplifier. Now this output here now becomes the input for these two other amplifiers, because it's the input here and it's the input here. So now the input for this here is 0.2 volt and also 0.2 volt. Now let's start with this inverting amplifier. The formula for an inverting amplifier is what? V3, since the output here is V3, is equals to what? Negative, let me put this in bracket, negative Rf over Ri times what? Times the input. The input is what? Is V2 times V2. So this is for an inverting amplifier. So now V3 is equals to what? What is Rf? Rf is this 200 kilo ohms. Then Ri is 20 kilo ohms. So it is what? 200 to be negative 200, and its kilo, so is times 10 to the power of 3 over Ri is what? Is 20 times V2 is what? Is 0.2. Minus 200 times 10 to the power of 3. 20 times 10 to the power of 3. Then times 0.2. This is negative 2. This is negative 2 volts. So the output here for this inverting amplifier is negative 2 volts. Here, you can write it if you want. Negative 2 volts. Then this is a non-inverting amplifier, and the formula is different from this. So the formula is what? The output is what? Is V4. Then here it becomes 1 plus Rf over Ri. Then times the input, which is V2. This is for non-inverting amplifier. So V4 is equals to 1 plus Rf is what? Is 200 times 10 raised to the power of 3 because of this kilo divided by 10 times 10 raised to the power of 3 times 0.2. So we can rearrange this. This becomes 1 plus this 1 plus 200 times 10 raised to the power of 3 over 20 now is 10. Over 10, not 20 now. This is 10. So it's 1 times. So it's 1 plus 200 times 10 raised to the power of 3 over 10 times 10 raised to the power of 3 times 0.2. So this is 4.2 volts. This is 4.2 volts. So this is 4.2 volts. So here is what? 4.2 volts. So that is all. We have successfully solved this circuit to find V2, V3 and V4. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.